Hola, amigos. Most welcome to Mystics and Shamans. May God bless you with abundance and sound health and peace of mind. I'm so glad to be here in front of you because this is a young, growing channel, and all your encouragement is best needed over here. If you would just like to subscribe to this channel, I'd be more than happy, and it would encourage me to make more videos. Okay, and first of all, thank you so much for stopping by, for coming here. Okay, and the fun has just begun. Okay, let's just get started. The topic today is, do they love you? Yes, we have here two piles, as you can see. So we have two piles, and it's going to be a quick, to the point reading without beating about the bush. Okay, without making you wait more, without any further ado, let's get started. So here are the two piles. This is pile 1, this is pile 2. This is pile 1, this is pile 2. This is pile 1, this in style lipstick, black and red. And this is pile 2, Maybelline lip balm. Okay, so just close your eyes, take a deep breath, and focus your energy on the person you want to ask about. Okay, focus your energy, think about, visualize the person you want to ask about, whether they love you or not. And this is a general reading, friends. Take what resonates with you and leave what does not. Okay, so let's get started. Are you excited? I'm really excited to do this reading. Okay, so you can pause the video over here to take more time if you want to focus your energies more. And as you can see, the piles over here already. This is pile 1, this is pile 2. So you can pause the video over here to concentrate more and better. Okay, so I'll get started with pile number 1. Pile 1. Okay, so let's see. Pile 1, what do we have in store for you? Does your person love you? Do they love you? Let's find out. Okay, so let's see. Whoa, spicy reading. This is going to be a juicy reading. We have Knight of Cups. Dun, 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 dun. We have Knight of Cups, the very good start. Okay, oh ho, we have Two of Cups. Okay, then we have Page of Cups. Okay, then we have Three of Cups. Okay, it's Five of Swords in reverse. Then we have Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Not a good card to get in reverse. Okay, the Devil upright. Hierophant in reverse. And Knight of Pentacles. Sorry, I don't know why I said Knight of Pentacles. Maybe this person talked about giving you commitment and did not show up. Knight of Wands in reverse. Okay, so oh la la, this is going to be a juicy reading. Okay, so this person does have feelings for you, and this person does like you a lot. This person has a crush on you. They're badly attracted to you. They're almost like obsessed with you. They probably don't show it as much, or they don't show it at all. They put up a poker face, but they really love you. Yes, they love you. But what is that love without some commitment? He, my dear, is not capable of offering you commitment, not as of now. He is not in the mood to offer commitment, think about commitment at all. Okay, because his love is right now at the stage of puppy love and crushes. See, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, so I don't leave you hanging in the dark like your guy or girl does. So this person does have feelings for you. They do love you, but this love is more like love crush, and puppy love and crushes, and it's like they're badly obsessed with you. They're attracted to you. They think about you all the time. And what I can see is that probably they're also involved in some kind of drinking, some kind of celebrations. They're partying hard, and you are kind of in the sad energy. You are missing them. You are not in a good energy. You are crying, you are sad, your energy is feeling depleted. I can already sense that, although there is no card like that over here, but I can sense it. Okay, so you want this person to give you commitment because you deserve commitment. commitment. You deserve commitment. Okay. This person probably argued with you, or they passed on your backhanded compliment, or they said something that rubbed you the wrong way, and you probably cut this person off. Some of you really cut this person off. Okay, you were like, I don't need you anymore, get out. Okay, but still you're here just to know if this person loves you or confirm. Okay, so I feel that yes, I cannot deny that this person loves you, but this love is at a very initial stage, friends, and so this person is not in a mood to commit to you, make any kind of commitment to you. So that is the bitter truth laid out right in front of you. Okay, talking about the zodiac signs, what I see over here is Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio is very dominant, and we have Taurus, we have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, we have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. All right, so friends, this was your reading. I'm blatantly honest with you so that I don't leave you hanging in the dark for your best future. Okay, so you can make a best decision for yourself. All right, so if you want detailed readings, you can contact me for private readings, personal readings. I'll be more than happy to help. Okay, so all right, that's all for now. I'll see you in another reading. Bye, pal 1. Okay, welcome, pal 2. How are you guys? For those who selected this Maybelline lip balm, all right, you have a good choice. Okay, so let's see whether your person loves you and to what extent. We're going to cover if they're going to offer you commitment, all those. If I see that in the cards, I'm definitely going to tell you. Okay, so let's see, let's spill the beans. Okay, so the first card we have here is the High Priestess. Then we have the Empress. Ooh, nurturing, the Empress quality. We have 4 of Cups. All right. Then we have is the Chariot. And we have the Fool. And then we have Page of Wands. And then we have 3 of Wands. Okay, so let's get started with the reading. Does your person love you? What do they think about you? Can they offer you commitment or not? Okay, as of now, friends, I don't see commitment, but I do see that they see you in a very high regard. They see you in a high light, friends. Okay, they see you is the High Priestess or is the Empress, is the mother of the future children. So yes, they do see a future with you. They do like you. They do feel you are a nurturer. You are someone who's very caring, loving. You are on your throne. You are beautiful or handsome as per your gender, and you are super attractive. You have the Midas touch, and you are just amazing. I don't know why I'm getting a feeling that this person feels that you deserve much better than they like them. You know, they feel that you deserve better than them. They feel they're not good enough for you. I'm somehow getting that energy of someone feeling not so good about themselves. You know, has it ever happened to you that you gave them a compliment and they give you a very stern look? You know, and you were like, "What's wrong?" Did it ever happen? Did you just wanted to pass on a compliment and they took it the wrong way? Or, so is it because this person has self-esteem issues, friends, but they might come across as smug, complacent, or very hoity-toity or attitude, but inside they have self-esteem issues, friends. Okay, so this person does keep a check on your social media, just letting you know, and this person does want to take a leap of faith towards you. Okay. And yes, probably this person was in two minds about you, or is currently in two minds about you, but they want to take a leap of faith towards you. And this person probably in the past rejected a love offer. Okay. Or they did not value your worth, did not see your worth, or probably you are the one rejecting them. You rejected the love offer, someone like, okay. And this person has been waiting for the right time to take action, probably propose to you or something like that. They're waiting for the right time to propose to you or something like that. So I do see that this person could take a leap of faith towards you and to offer you the commitment that you've been looking for. Okay. And this could happen possibly within 3 to 4 months, possibly 3 months. Okay. And for some of you, if it does happen, then do let me know in the comment section, friends. I'm all here to be delighted for your happiness. Okay. You're happy, then I'm happy. So yes, this person, though we don't have any cups cards over here, but this person does like you a lot. Okay. They're very fond of you, and they have a lot of respect for you. They respect you a lot. They have a high regard. They look at you with, like, they really look up to you, you know what I mean. And they see that you're a true enterprising woman. If you're a woman, they see you as a true enterprising woman, someone who has self-made. Probably whether you're a man or a woman, you could be self-made. You did not get the backing or support from whom, or you did not ask for that support, and you are self-made. Okay. So you could be into business, or whatever you do it with finesse, and they see you as a very fun loving, happy-go-lucky person. They see you as someone who listens to her or his intuition, and they see you as someone who is somewhat, no matter how much you have, you might not be satisfied with your life. Is that true? Let me know in the comment section. So we did not get clarity about whether this person loves you or not. So for this deck, I'm going to draw a card. You got lucky. So does the person of pile 2 love them? Give me a clarifying card, please. Did you see the intensity of the cards? It just flew out. Okay, so universe does not want to reveal that much. I would just say, why don't you just take a personal reading from me and get clarity on whether your person loves you or not. Yeah, you can do that. Okay, as of now, I've got these 2 cards which are on the side. We have 8 of Pentacles and 6 of Cups. Yes, this person does love you. Okay, these 2 cards were placed separately over here, so I'm gonna take them. This person does love you. Okay, and mind you, this connection is someone who wants to take care of you, someone who wants to take you under his wing or their wings. Okay, someone who wants to be a good provider to you. Okay, so their feelings are sincere, friends. They're not somebody who is going to be playing with your feelings. Okay, they might be coming across as someone like that for often, but they're not this kind of person. Okay, that's not what the cards are telling me, at least. Okay, all right, that's all for today at Mystics and Shamans. I hope you guys enjoy your day, and God bless you. Take care of yourself. I'll see you another day. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's a young channel, so every like, share, and subscribe is precious to me. Okay, so it will encourage me to make more videos and bring you more videos. So do let me know in the comment section if you loved it. Okay, thank you so much for being here, stopping by for your precious time, valuable time. Thank you so much. See you. Bye bye. Sayonara.